Good morning. Number one, the question was whether to condone the delay pending appeal, what may be the provisions? Whether section rule 3, order 41 is applicable or section 5 petition is applicable. See, it is well settled law that when special act have contains its own provision to condone delay, only that provision would apply, not section 5 limitation act. If there is no provision to condone delay, then the question of section 5 limitation act may apply. The another aspect was, if the the certain provisions of the act contains limitations independently and the independently and without mentioning the how to condone that delay, then you have to go to section 5 limitation act. But if certain sections contains limitations within the that provision itself, then that provision would apply, only apply. Like condonation of delay for appeal against the accuser. Earlier, there was a limited period of limitation that would be extended. Like that, under Commercial Courts Act, there is a provision to condone the delay to file the written statement, and that condonation of delay would be extended within the very same provisions within limited period. Therefore, section 5 petition may not apply. Apart from that, but still the advocacy is left open to, if you are exhausting the statutory provision or statutory act limitation, then you can try your best under section 5 limitation act. This would be my humble submission for condonation of delay. Therefore, pending appeal, since the section 3A says that the delay, but here there is no limitations under 3A application for condonation of delay. Therefore, it is very easy to file application to condone the delay in filing appeal under order 41 rule 3A. This would be my humble submission. Then question arises a important judgment wherein the privileged document, whether to be supplied or not, is also one of the most important judgment. AAR 2022 Supreme Court 3690, AAR 2022 Supreme Court 3690, Reliance Industries Limited versus Security and Exchange Board of India. That is called SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India is called that. Then therefore the Supreme Court has held Article 21(14), fair trial, non-disclosure of document by SEBI. So the SEBI is not right to deny the documents. Therefore, SEBI was directed to furnish the document. Kindly go through the judgment. Judgment is very interesting for other aspects. If you are really interested to know about what is SEBI, what was the Securities Exchange Board regulations, substantial acquisition of shares and takeover, those who are interested in that field may go to the judgment. I do not want to trouble youngsters except for this purpose, that no authority have got right to detain the documents as privileged document, citing certain provisions. So for this citations may be referred to if any documents was refused, even information right to information act. I hope I extend my heartiest congratulations, heartiest wishes to all for happy Deepavali. That apart, yesterday a person blasted a car with the available materials. That means two cylinders, gas cylinders, domestic gas cylinders were used. and unfortunately he also died due to the injury. Whatever it may be, we should, apart from the Atrocities Act, who wanted to disturb the peace and the integrity of India, I want to know that the NIA should probe deeply about what was the cause for this attempt, whether there is any foreign intervention or individual sustaining provocation or sustaining feeling for inciting aggressive attitude resulting terrorism. It is my duty when I am when I am requesting you to probe the matter. This will be far better that recently some groups are canvassing, abating, conspiring and communicating the hatred feelings among one particular religions, and so that they are psychologically and for other healthy reasons are prevented from purchasing commercial goods or any other things from other religion people. This is act of shame, act of international treaties, a declaration of human rights when after completion of Second World War, Atlanta Declaration of Human Rights was announced and consequently adopted by United Nations Human Rights declarations. It's absolutely an individual breach, individual groups are breaching these international human rights. I hope this area may be deeply probed into, so that unless and until if we were not in a position to find the basic reasons, prima facie reasons, why this had happened, I hope the NIA or other related investigating agencies may be agreed with my request. Apart from that, the police officials or top rank brass officers are introducing one after another policing group of different titles, women forces, but they are not concentrating the existing police functioning in attending the woman crisis, except concentrating on media attractions. I hope, I request the Honorable Chief Ministers to take brave actions, that at least there may be a ombudsman or some commission to inquire into the breach of police officials on every district level, to immediately decide, not headed by the police official, some judicial officers, at least retired judicial officers, as to award cost for the breach of initiating actions. I hope that would suffice for implementing the human rights and their that may cultivate police officials in the habit of immediately seeing receipt and not waiting for the superior officers' orders. Whoever may be the in charge of that particular police station must acknowledge the complaint, or there may be some entry register at every police station and every internal part of sections of that particular police station to have a register. While entering the police station itself, they should make an entry for what purpose they are entering the police station and the reasons for lodging complaint. Then that around the clock register may help for supervising authorities why their complaint are not registered and what time he entered and till what time they have not processed it, why they are lethargic in attending the complaint, so many things. Best wishes, happy Deepavali.